Happy day, everyone. I believe it's Taco Tuesday. Hey, but what's better is this pool's about to have plastering in here soon. Beautiful Ultra Combo Glacier paver deck. Got all of our spot tiles in. All of our preps done. Nice gray wall fittings to match. Nice big bench. Got us over here at Treasure Beach. Look at that beautiful view right there. Come up here on your boat and have some fun. So yeah, this is going to be about 90 days. Another beautiful job done in a quick and timely fashion. Notice we got all pent air, heat, cold, 3 horsepower pump. Very clean plumbing job. And some nice micro bright lights. Not the big Volkswagen bus headlights. We don't put those in. We don't like those. They're too big and bulky and have problems in the future. So we don't like warranties. We like to do it right the first time. So you're gonna have 2 lights on each side, illuminate this beautiful pool. And yes, it's in the latter stages of being done. Look at this beautiful marsh view here. Little inlet view, sorry. Good stuff. Just want to check in, kind of show y'all what's been going on, and hey, let's get swimming soon. That's what we always tell you. Got many more videos and pictures coming. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you soon.